Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to push with a Python script new values in table with the name people because we have it because of last tutorial. Right, so that's what we are going to do, and we will reuse a lot of code from a last tutorial. So what is instruction here? Well, insert into what is the name of table people, and now you can have a long line of instruction here, or you can just go to next line. And let's have a little bit of indentation, and now we need to state those columns one after another. So we don't need to say ID as the first column because it will be auto incremented, so we can just drop it here. The thing will be done automatically. What we need to follow is order of all other important columns: name and last name and telephone and email, if I remember, yeah, email, and then address. Okay, let's go to next line. We will say values. And what are those values? Well, for name we're gonna say John. For last name we're gonna say Smith. We're gonna put some stupid number here like 444 555. Email, let me see, like John at John. Okay, and address will be main road 123 or Sweet Home Alabama. Right, and of course I'm gonna use semicolon here. And what else we can change here? Well, pretty much nothing. We can just change, you know, like those custom report what's happening, like table created. We are not creating tables here, so insert operation. Okay, let's say insert, and down there if we run into some kind of error we will say error while inserting data. Right, and the rest of the script is just same like from couple tutorials before. Right, when I press F5, hopefully everything will be fine. That means that we need to check reality in a table. So go to data, and you don't see anything here because we didn't this is just a file. Okay, so you need to refresh kind of manually, and refresh, and now we do have everything on this thing, and ID is a 1. Okay guys, so is there any other way we can insert data here? Well, sure, you can use form view, but honestly I find this a little bit confusing, so I can use grid view. Okay, so just say here plus, and forget about ID, it will be null. Basically it will be automatic at the end of the day. Name will be, let's say, Samantha, last name Smith, and telephone will be 444 555. Let's say they live in the same house, Samantha at Samantha, and same house, so main road 123. Press enter. And now what? Well, now we need to click here, which is basically commit, that we done in a script with a dedicated line. So this is not script, so commit, and there you go, everything is fine. Okay, so question is, well, what about ID next time when I run my Python script? Will it be like 3 or something else? Well, it's really not important if you're using grid view or form view or Python script or any other script like a PHP script. The IDs will always be auto incremented. So let me change my script here a little bit. I'm gonna insert, let's say, Slavoj Žižek. He will be at the phone number, some high phone number, and email will be Slavoj at Žižek TLD, and address will be, of course, Slovenia. Okay, F5 to check what's happening. Insert operation, okay, connection closed, and let's check what's happening. Now we don't see anything because we didn't do that refresh thing. Okay, refresh, and 3 There you go, guys, it is auto incremented. Right, so much in this tutorial, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you next one where we are going to do something fun. For example, we can grab things from keyboard and insert it like that. It's like we are creating very simple console application, let's use that term, because we can run our Python script in a terminal or command prompt. Right, so thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.